कैसे तुम्हारा रिएक्शन होगा, बट विल बी योर प्रॉपर एक्सप्रेशन व्हाट वुड बी देयर. हिंदी में करेंगे बात, ओके, बट नाउ स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. डू फास्ट, जल्दी करो. न्यूज़पेपर. Speak loudly. What you have been doing? What you have been doing these? So long to see you. You can say this thing now. So long to see you. Then.
After a long time with it, I'm very busy. In my work, in office work.
Okay, this much? This much? Okay, go. Let's have conversation between this Samar and Abhimanyu. Samar and Abhimanyu, you please converse with each other. Come to this. Samar and Abhimanyu. Keep quiet, Vanshpan. Don't make a noise. Yes.
Hello, friend.
Speak loudly.
Hello, friend. You are. Yes, I have also fine.
Where have you been?
Where are you been?
Where have you been these days?
Where are you these days?
Where, beta, where have you been these days? Okay, so long to see. Where have you been these days? Okay. Shabash, very good. After that, बस ये बात करेंगे. What you are doing now these days? Tell me something about your work.
What is your work?
I am a teacher.
Okay, I am working in a multinational company. You can say like this, okay? Okay, shabash, very good. Now let us share the screen with you, okay? Newspaper reading will be there. Vanshpal and Kanish, you are joining with this mobile. You are also having mobile. A Wi-Fi. हाँ ठीक है. और बाकी you are on rest. अब बैठ जाओ एक दूसरे के साथ. Now listen. Then you join the class. ले आओ और. Okay, first of all, we will share this, okay? Now, Shubhangi. Shubhangi, read it, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Dhol, sweets and song at Singhu.
Yes, read out. Dhol, sweets and songs at Singhu, Sonipat, November 19. Okay, celebrations erupted. Shubhangi, what happened? Shubhangi. Okay, Anandi Vasudeva.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anandi, you start reading and then you have to summarize it also. What is
Yes,
written, that you have to summarize.
Dhol, sweets and songs.
Yes, Anandi.
Yes, ma'am. This erupted at the Singhu border.
Madam, what is happening?
The epicenter of farmers' movement for the past 1 year on Friday morning, with the PM announcing that the 3 agriculture laws would be repealed. Groups of farmers were seen dancing to the beats of dhol and distributing sweets. The youth played bagging music on their tractors. Public congratulated one another over.
Better people congratulated.
People congratulated one another over their victory amid Amid the celebrations, the farmers claimed that preparations to mark the anniversary of the farm movement on November 26 were in full swing and thousands would reach the Delhi borders on trolleys with a ration for 6 months. Major Singh
With
of
ration for 6 months.
with the ration of for 6 months. Major
Hmm.
Singh of Jalalabad in Moga said, "Our joy
Hmm.
will be complete only
Hmm.
after the." Ma'am, after the
Hmm.
क्या करूँ?
It will be visible, okay? After the
After the process of repeal, the laws is completed. Ranjot Singh of Jagron and Amarjit Singh of Malabar in Patiala nodded in assent. I have spent a year on the Delhi border. Will follow the SQM instructions on the next course of action, said Hardyal Singh Ghali, District Vice President AIKS Moga, Nachatar Singh and
Nachinder Singh.
elderly farmer
Nachinder
from
Singh
Ludhiana to
hmm.
Nachatar Singh and elderly farmer from Ludhiana too said he would not budge till the government repealed the farm laws. We are not taking any chances, he said.
Okay, okay. Now explain it. Just summarize
Yes,
it. 3 lines.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in Singhu border there was a celebration. Uh, the farmers celebrating the anniversary of farm on 26 November.
Why they are
Ma'am, the
why
youth,
okay, okay. Then the youth.
ma'am, the youth was playing the music on their tractors and they are dancing on the beats of chol and distributing sweets.
Okay, okay. Now you tell me why they are dancing, why they are distributing, and why this music is going on. Why they are so happy? Look at the picture. These farmers are dancing merrily. These
Ma'am,
farmers are dancing merrily.
because
Now you tell me why. Yes, you tell me why they are dancing, why they are happy.
ma'am, because there is the anniversary of farm.
No, they are not dancing due to the anniversary of their agitation.
Ma'am, may
Wait a minute, wait. Let this. Yes, Anandi, they are not dancing due to their this anniversary of their agitation. It is not the reason of their dance and not the reason of their happiness. Yes, Anandi, would you like to try? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ganesh,
Ma'am,
yes, yes, beta.
ma'am, they were celebrating that
Hmm.
PM Narendra Modi announced the decision to repeal the laws, the three agriculture laws.
Okay, very good, very good. Because repeal. What do you mean by repeal?
Repeal.
Ma'am, reveal, ma'am, can I say?
No, beta. This Anandi's turn is going on. Okay, very good, beta. Up to some extent, your answer is correct. Okay. Now, Kanish, you tell me. First of all, read it and then tell. Start reading, Kanish. कहाँ से शुरू से yes ढोल से करो read करो इसको बेटा आप उस रूम में बैठ जाओ and do fast okay बस इसको लेके जाओ मोबाइल को लेके जाओ and come fast और मुझे explain करो इसको what is written ठीक है Yes, Kanishk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now read out. Read out this.
Sonipat, November 19. Right. Congratulations.
Beta, first of all, read the title. Whole is
Dolly
written.
sings as songs at Shinju.
Okay. Then. Yes. Now start.
Sonipat, November 19. Congratulations. Reported at the Sindhu border, the
Epicenter.
epicenter of farmers' movement for the past 1 year. On Friday morning, with the PM
PM. With the PM announcing
that the three
agriculture is written.
agriculture laws would be repealed. Group of farmers were seen dancing to the best of the dholi and
Dholi, very good, Dholi. Beats of the dhol is written. And distributing sweets.
distributing sweets.
Then
The
youth means young people.
The
The youths.
the youth were blaring music on their territories. People congratulated one another over their victory. Amid the congratulations, the farmer claimed that
Preparations.
preparation to mark the
Anniversary.
anniversary of the farm movement on November 26 were in full swing and
Look, Kanish, read it fast,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
आप बच्चों की तरह read कर रहे हो. One word you are reading. Don't read like this. Amid the celebrations, the farmers claimed that preparations to mark the anniversary of the farm movement on जहाँ पर full stop is there, बस वहीं रुकना है, बीच में don't stop. आप एक एक अक्षर फर्स्ट के बच्चे की तरह मत रीड करो. Amid the celebrations, मैं हूँ बोलूंगी. तो listen this thing, एक full stop और एक comma में रुकना है, बीच में नहीं रुकना है. Listen, बीच में कहीं नहीं रुकोगे. Now whatever, okay, read करो, फिर से करो read. We only comma and full stop. In rest of the sentence, you will not stop. Start reading.
thousand would reach the Delhi blocks on
Delhi बोल रहे, दिल्ली नहीं, you will not say Delhi, Delhi.
blocks on trolleys with ration for 6 months.
बस month,
Measure-
full stop is there. Listen beta, full stop is there, आप रुक जाओ. Okay, now start reading. Major Singh of Jalalabad in Moga said.
Jalalabad in Maja said over joy will be complete only after the process of, मैम आगे का नहीं आ रहा है, process
It will
of
come. Repeal the laws is completed. Okay, okay. Now you summarize it better.
is
Summarize karo, whatever you have read, summarize it. Summarize it. Okay, anyone from you who wants to read and then summarize it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone from? Okay, yeah, I mean, you just want to summarize it.
Ma'am, read also.
First of all, you want to read. Okay, okay, come in.
Yes, ma'am. Dhol sweets and songs at Singhu. Celebration erupted at the Singhu border. The advocates of farmers movement for the past 1 year on Friday morning, with the PM announcing that the 3 agriculture laws would be repealed. Groups of farmers were still dancing to the beats of the dhols and distributing sweets. The youths played Malik music on their tractors. People congratulated,
Class is
but
going on.
but
5 minutes.
another over their victory. Amid the celebrations, the farmers claimed that preparations to mark the anniversary of the farm movement on this November 26 were in full swing, and thousands would reach the Delhi borders, acknowledged with ration of pulsing. Major Singh of Jalabad in Moga said, "Our joy will be complete only after the after the process of After the process of repeal the laws is completed, Ranjot Singh of Jagrod and Amarjit Singh of Maliwal in Patalia noted in assent. I have spent a year on the Delhi border. Will follows the escape instructions on the next course of action, said Hardev Singh Khalid, Vice President AIKS Moga. Nachakar Singh and early farmers from Ludhiana too said that he would not budge till the government repealed the farm laws. We are not taking any chances, he said.
Okay, Yamini.
Ma'am, in this paragraph, this is written that when the PM had repealed the three agriculture laws, that the farmers are celebrating that as a big occasion. They are distributing the sweets and dancing on the dhols, etc.
And why they are happy? Why they are distributing sweets?
Because the PM has announced that the three agriculture laws would be repealed.
Okay, listen beta. Now listen beta. Repealed. REPEALED. Repealed is written. What does it mean? It means cancelled. Okay. Repeal का मतलब क्या होता है? Beta cancel. Okay. Now the three form laws. Okay, you know, three forms laws or पिछले from the last year protest was going on, agitation was going on, and now this agitation. Okay, on the auspicious occasion of this Guru Parv, our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, has said that announced. Okay, that the three agriculture laws would be repealed, means that those three agriculture laws would be cancelled. Okay, from the last year this agitation was going on, and now this on this Guru Parv, our Prime Minister has announced that the three laws would be cancelled. This is the cause of their happiness, and that's why they are so happy now. They are dancing now. It is written that they are playing music, they are dancing, and but some are saying when up to the till when they don't get this written in written that the laws have been cancelled, they will not believe. Okay, so ये क्यों dance कर रहे हैं? Because जो उनके three farms rules है, they would be cancelled. Due to that they are dancing. Okay, now Let me share the other. Akshay Chaudhary, 2133. Akshay Chaudhary, you will tell. And first of all, you will read.
Yes.
अक्षय चौधरी अक्षय चौधरी तुम नहीं रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करते हो जितने पिछले ईयर लास्ट ईयर यू वर गुड ओके अक्षय चौधरी
Yes.
will read.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो इसको क्या लिखा है
Sixth, ma'am, I'm fear of losing से पढ़ना है.
अब बेटा यहाँ से 670 lives lost in a year lost in a year lost
617 lives lost in year-long struggle. मैम आगे नहीं
At-
दिखाई दे रहा.
आगे नहीं दिख रहा लॉन्ग स्ट्रगल एट दिल्ली बॉर्डर्स ओके अब मुझे बताना इट इज ब्लर तो फिर मैं देखना जरा दिखाई दे रहा है आपको अच्छी तरह से
No, ma'am.
ब्लर है
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर है देखो अक्षय आपको ब्लर दिख रही है
Yes, ma'am.
मैं एक और देखती हूँ आपके साथ शेयर करके अब इसको देखो मैंने दोबारा भी खींची थी अब ये आपको दिख रहा है अब ये तो मुझे लग रहा है दिख जा रहा है देखो आप दिख रहा है आपको अच्छा
थोड़ा ब्लर है दिख रहा है
आप देखो अब तो बहुत छोटा दिखेगा आपको नाउ अब तो आई थिंक नाउ इट इज क्लियर अक्षय चौधरी
मैम ऐसे तो मैम फर्स्ट वर्ड मैम नवंबर 19 मैम ये भी थोड़ा ब्लर है मैम पहला शब्द नहीं दिखाई दे रहा वर्ड ये तो हो जा रहा है
ये भी ब्लर लग रहा है ये भी ब्लर लग रहा है तो ऐसे भी आपको देखो ब्लर ही लगेगा ऐसे आप नहीं रीड कर सकते हो बच्चे रीड कर सकते हो कैन यू रीड अक्षय चौधरी
यस मैम चंडीगढ़ नवंबर 19 with nearly 670 lives lost during the camera. The year-long struggle at the Delhi borders. The victory for farmers has come at the heavy cost. Besides facing
besides Akshay Chaudhary what does it
Besides-
mean Akshay Chaudhary wait a minute beta but what does it mean besides is written is there any difference between beside and besides Akshay, do you think there is any difference between this word beside and besides?
yes, ma'am.
Prepositions and there है difference आपको लगता है beside and besides में difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshay, हाँ बताओ what is the difference between beside and besides?
Beside one and besides two or more.
No, this is not the correct answer. Vanshpal, what is the difference between beside and besides? ये बताओ आप मुझे. Beside. Sit down. What is the difference between beside and besides? Vanshpal. Vanshpal is supposed to give the answer. Yes, Vanshpal. Wait, no, nobody will help. Yes, Vanshpal, beta batao. Beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. I'm just asking beside and besides. Means B-E-S-I-D-E and B-E-S-I-D-E-S. What is the difference between these two words? Anyone from you? No, that you have read as a refund. Beside क्या होता है वंशपाल? Yes, बेटा एक मिनट. Okay, Ananya, you telling yes, Ananya. What is it? पीछे, beside, but that is behind. Front and behind, these are two words that are opposite. Behind means पीछे, front आगे. Okay, now anyone, Divyanshi Kashyap, Bhavna Sharma, what is the difference between this beside and besides? गाड़ी अटक गई second.
One beside, the meaning of beside is के पास, and the meaning of beside is besides is किसी के अतिरिक्त, मतलब उनको.
Okay, okay. Yes, in addition to, you can say beside. Okay, beside means side में. Okay, the girl is sitting beside her mother and father. The example is the girl is sitting beside her mother and father means जो लड़की है वो मम्मी पापा की साइड में है. The girl is sitting beside her mother and father. In and besides means in addition to. Besides Ramayana, I have Bhagavad Gita also. Okay, besides Ramayana means Ramayana के अलावा मेरे पास भगवद गीता भी है. Besides means in addition to. Besides English, I know French and Japanese. Okay, means addition. याद रखना, besides means in addition to, and beside means side में, के पास. There is a difference between beside and besides. There is a difference between among and amongst. बहुत बहुत रेयर है, जब आप डीपली जाओगे तो बहुत वर्ड्स होते हैं, बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे besides was there, that's why I was asking. Besides means in addition to, इसके अलावा, और इसमें कुछ ऐड कर दो besides. Yes, Akshay Chaudhary. Now difference is clear, Akshay. What is the difference between beside and besides? पता चला आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshay Chaudhary, now start reading. Besides, अब पीछे बैठ जाओ बेटे.
Facing the vagaries of the weather, the farmers had to deal with reckless drivers and
Yes, you
other
can say, okay.
threats
Threats.
while putting up on the roads. Trouble began for Punjab farmers.
Farmer भी बोलना है. Mostly I have said this thing कि जहाँ RO. What is this? Why you are talking? Most of the times I have told you this thing, when R will be there, then you have to lay less stress. जहाँ पर R होगा आपने उसके ऊपर stress कम डालना, तभी स्टाइल आएगा इंग्लिश बोलने में. Otherwise तुम ऐसे रीड करते रहोगे. Farmers you will not read, farmers बोलोगे तुम. R को stress कम रखना है. Morning नहीं बोला. Many times I have told this thing that morning you will not say morning, it is morning. R को silent रखना है. जहाँ पर R, stress should be less. अगर stress less होगा, then automatically style will come in your.
Farmers when
I will throw you out.
Preparation.
Okay, Akshit, now start reading.
For the daily march went on in full swing at last year.
Okay, Akshit, now this you have read. Now tell me what you have read. बताओ क्या पढ़ा आपने? अक्षय चौधरी क्या पढ़ा? 2 paragraphs you have read. Now tell me what you have read. With nearly 670 lives lost during the year-long struggle at the Delhi borders. Okay, Akshit, इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा? Camera is off, Akshit. बताओ बेटा आपने जो भी पढ़ा, 2 paragraphs you have read. You tell me just one line. क्या पढ़ा आपने? क्या समझ में आया आपको? मैं 2 paragraphs में आपको कुछ समझ में आया? आया कनिष्क आपको कुछ समझ में? Sorry, कनिष्क ने this Akshay Chaudhary. Kanika 2934. Kanika 2934.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. आपने 2 paragraph में what you have read? Anything you have understood? कुछ नहीं पता, कुछ नहीं पता, कुछ पता नहीं चला आपने क्या रीड किया, उसने क्या रीड किया, आपको कुछ नहीं पता चला. Listen this thing once again. न्यूज़पेपर लगा लो everyone, ठीक है? अभी लगवा लो, फ्यूचर के लिए ठीक रहेगा. अभी लगवा लो and please start reading that.